My check-in experience at the Golden Nugget was fabulous. There was a lengthy line and it only took about 20 minutes to get through it. I booked the cheapest room at Golden Nugget, the Carson Tower Deluxe King. These rooms measure at 364 square feet but feel much roomier. I just love staying at the Golden Nugget. I love the classic Golden Nugget motif. And all rooms come with a 55-inch TV and a shower tub combo. Plus 4 large complimentary bottles of Golden Nugget drinking water.
That's what I call a quality duo.
There is a nice closet area with a safe and everything else you would expect to find. The room was clean, but however, there were sounds of wear and tear. The room had a western exposure, so the view wasn't much. It was mostly the parking garage, the rush tower, and the plaza there in the background. And here's a unique feature. The windows can be opened slightly. The bathroom is a modest-sized bathroom that comes with a shower tub combo and plenty of towels. And the dreaded mounted product dispensers. The bathroom was clean, but it too had sounds of wear and tear. One thing I do like is that the tub and the toilet are on the opposite sides of the bathroom. And there is a definite lack of counter space. However, there is extra vanity space provided in the main room. The Carson Tower rooms are the cheapest rooms at the Golden Nugget, and they are also the quietest. The noise from the Fremont Street canopy was barely noticeable, and I slept like a baby. And there is a Starbucks and a Chick-fil-A located conveniently right next to the Carson Tower elevator. Hey, thanks for watching. You can show support for this content by hitting the super thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Watch more of my fabulous content by clicking one of these boxes. Tap the center icon on the screen now to subscribe and you will receive notifications on future videos.